Hi everyone, it's Tuesday today and we're having a very late start to our day 3. Right now it's about 11:30 in the morning. The kids are still tired from yesterday's walkabout, so we're gonna take it slow and hopefully they'll be recharged for tomorrow. We're just gonna be walking around and exploring the Hongdae area. This is about, I think, 5 minutes walk from our apartment, and we're currently on our way to the Tanks Nature Cafe. We've seen so many videos about it, and it's making the kids super excited because they want to, have a face-to-face experience with the ships. All right, here we are. Look how excited Adam is. Okay, so here we are at the Thanks Nature Cafe. We're waiting for our orders. I think Aiza got the brownie with ice cream, and then Adam has his. Yeah, Adam has his plain waffle, and Shafiq ordered like plain chocolate waffle. Yeah, nothing for myself because the kids won't be finishing theirs, so I'll be eating what's left.
And I like painting.
Yeah. You like the waffle?
Yeah. Yes.
Aida?
Come on, Abba. You can drink your coffee. Drink your coffee, Abba. I am free.
You angry or I angry?
You're eating the whipped cream only?
Only eat the cream, eat the brownie.
It's my first time. It's not bad, right? It is not bad.
Oh, not bad. This is good. Day 2 exploring of Hongdae. This street is basically 5 minutes walk from Hongdae University Station. Yeah, just gonna spend some time walking around, look at the shops, see what they have to offer. But yeah, of course, cars are still able to travel. So if you're with kids, do keep on the right side of the pathway, and yeah, just look out. It feels like the same Hongdae that we experienced 4 years ago, and yeah, it still feels very very homely, to be honest. Yeah.
Okay, come on. Let's get something.
And then what is for you, Abba?
So I get a shark.
Did you get the sack? I got a penguin.
Right, let's continue walking down Hongdae Street. I mean, it's convenient to have a pathway in the middle of the road. So yeah, the left and right are the roads, but yeah, as you can see, people are still walking there. It's safe to walk in the middle for this one, this street. Alright, oh, another Airsoft location. It's a very youthful vibe kind of street. Um, Lots of things to offer for families. Okay. Here first, let's go one by one. Let's see what they have to offer at level 2. Ah, looks like a typical arcade. Yeah, very cool. Overlooking the street where we were just now.
I got one copy pencil.
Ice hockey, I mean like typical setup of any arcade, always having an ice hockey, oh sorry, air hockey.
Okay, so I ordered some halal stuff from Shuttle basmati rice because they don't have any like Thai or Korean rice there. Guess this is the ice pack. Yeah, some chicken. So yeah, pretty good. Still frozen. This one.
Why not do that? Yes.
Visit Adam.